Hey everyone, what's up? Today we will gonna tear down the HP Probook display. So let's get started and let's see what's inside it. First of all, I would like to warn you that don't try to attempt this at home. First of all, we will gonna remove the batteries so there is no risk of shock or any burn. We will gonna remove the firstly plastic cover that is covering the display. We will start it removing from its border. It can be removed with simple fingers. There are many types of displays present in the market. You can see the tiny little structures present inside it. There is a little microphone, a camera, and a light sensor. There are two microphones in it. Removing the rest of the cover. Removing the display. So I have removed the display panel. So let's tear it down and see what's inside it and how does the image is produced. I'm also waiting what's inside it. This is the LG LED Full HD diagonal display. It is the 15.6 HD display. It is LED based but has a structure similar to the LCD one. You can see the several connectors connecting the display to the motherboard. There are three little connectors like a sticker connection and a one simple connector. There are several types of display available in the market. LG has also made LED display. You can also see the light passing through its pixel. Each pixel lights up individually when the light is passed through them. There are several ways in its way. You can see the display is lighting up. The light is passed through. The display is still enclosed. So we will gonna remove the sticker and then the motherboard, and before it we will gonna separate the connections which are connecting the display to the motherboard. Quite simple. Removing this tiny little connector like a little Lego. Done. This is the simple motherboard which has complicated ICs and processors. Thumbs up for that. The little leaking connector, as you can see. And then we will remove the display cover. It consists of two parts. The back side is of Removing the plastic cover with a screwdriver and then the steel cover. I have removed the plastic cover with fingers. This is the steel cover covering the front side, and there is a plastic cover covering the back side. They encloses the display and its several layers. The LED display consists of several layers and the image filters, which filters the light and produces the image through each individual pixel. The pixels are not independent, they are dependent on the backlit light. It is quite similar to the LCD technology. There are now OLED displays available in the market which consist of independent pixels. The independent pixels light up on their own and control their brightness. Removing the aluminum piece like a plastic where they are glued with each other. So let's see what our display has inside it. Removing the front side and see what's inside. It consists of several plastic layers. They consist of different materials. Some are also good refractors, not reflector. As you can see, the different layers. You can see the pixels lighting up. I think it would have around 150 pixels per inch density, or might be less. It has 4K resolution. It's keeping in mind this is the LG display which produces a quite good image. The LG has also come with competition with Samsung. The Samsung is also undisputed king of displays. Now I will gonna show you its layer step by step. It is a plastic and a strong material but yet flexible. You can see the characteristic of the light rays in the torch I am holding. This layer is mirror light, but also the light can pass through it. This is a simple plastic like the butter paper. It is a translucent material. It is also one of the image filters. And the next layer we have is mirror like. Let me separate them. It is like a polished aluminum foil. You can see it is also a translucent material but the light can pass through it. We just separate two layers. This display is quite complicated. You can see the two images forming of my torch. It is also a reflector and refractor. Quite amazing technologies. A mirror-like sheet. These all layers help in the formation of the image and which passes through each individual pixel. The pixel consists of three colors, red, blue and green. They also control their RGB values. The RGB stands for basically red, blue, green. You can see the light passing through them. This front layer consists of the glass which has been not broken. The front side is polished while the back side is unpolished. It further consists of two layers. Now we will gonna put them back. I hope we will gonna easily put back. If you like my video, like it, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will gonna put the layers step by step in a simple arrangement back. You can see I have closed the display, but I definitely believe that the display will never work again. Quite funny, huh? So thank you for watching and make sure you have subscribed my channel.